Hey everyone, how you all doing today? And welcome back to another vlog. So we have so many things planned for the day, guys. But anyway, first thing first, we are going to this Taiwan festival in Manchester. So I'm not too sure how long it will last for. So let's go and check it out, see how it goes. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys over there. Boom. At the Taiwan festival. It's raining, but as you can see, this guy is right here. He's running away because it's raining. Let's follow him. Be careful, Oscar. This is very... Yo, check this out, guys. So this is like an auditorium room here where everybody is just playing games. As you can see, there's so many people here. Now you have to queue up to have a go at this game. So luckily there's only one person before me. So I'm next, guys. I'm next. Right, guys. So I'm about to have a go at this game. Let's see how that works out. I've never played this game before, but we'll see, guys. I'm sure I'll be doing really, really well, but I'll show you guys quickly. This guy right here will be holding the camera for me right there.
How you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay.
They were nice enough to record the scene for me. So let's get going. There's too many kids here. It's really packed, guys. They have so many options. If you want to come down here with your family members, then that's a great place to come to. Wow. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys outside. Oh, the sun is out. But anyway, the inside was great. Now, let's go in. I think this way is the exit, so wow, guys, I scored 450. I had 450 points, which is not bad at all for a first-time gamer. The best part over here was the gaming section, which was really cool. And I think I did really, really well. 450 points, that's more than average. I'm dead proud of myself. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. Let's get going to our next adventure.
2 hours later.
Oh my god, we are finally here, guys, and this is exactly what I expected. Look how beautiful this house is. Check this out, guys. This is the living room. This is so beautiful. Check this out. Oh wow, look at these designs. Look how everything is set out. Yo, look at this. Look at the view, guys. And this right here is the kitchen, guys. Exactly what I saw on the internet. This is, look how beautiful it is. Whoa, is that the fridge? This is the fridge. Check this out, guys. This is beautiful. Oh, look at this top. Look how it's designed. Right, boys and girls, we're upstairs now. I'm going to show you around quickly. It's just exactly how I imagined this. This is, whoa, this is a kid bedroom. Look at that. Not that I need right now, but this right here. Just check this out, guys. This is so beautiful. This is the hallway. This is one of the bedrooms right here. This is perfect. Oh my god. This house is beautiful. I'm in love with it already, guys. Check out these walk-in closet. Oh, look at that. Look how nice it is. It's nice and glossy. This is beautiful. So this is the first bedroom. It's right here. There's a master bathroom, guys. Check this out. Look how beautiful this bathroom is. Oh, wow. So nice and cozy. Check this out, guys. Oh my god, look at this shower. Whoa, look at this. This is beautiful. And this is the second bedroom right here. Yo, this is nice. Check this out, guys. It's a nice little message there. Look how cozy it is. This is beautiful. Oh, this is nice. This feels so nice. I love everything about this house, guys. This is just perfect. What do you guys think so far? I mean, I really like it. And now, guys, ta-da! This is the master bedroom. Closets are everywhere. This is the view, garden view. And now, let's get to the ensuite bathroom. This is the shower room. This is the ensuite. Check this out. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, nice. This is just perfect. This is perfect. This house is just, oof. I mean, I like it so far, guys. I want to know what you guys think. Don't forget to leave your comments below. Like I said, I'm in love with this house already. This is too nice. This is really, really nice. Right, so we've seen the master bedroom. We've seen the second bedroom. We've seen the bathroom. We've seen the first one. Now, I want to know what you guys think. Guys, help me to decide. But anyway, guys, I think this is it for now. I think we've spent too long here. Let's get going. This is just perfect. Exactly how I've seen it. Now, don't forget to leave your comments. I want to know what you guys think. Help me decide, guys, and I'll see you guys outside. Whew. So this has been a long day of work, guys. I just want to freshen up right now, grab a cup of tea, sit down and edit my videos. So don't forget again, guys, I'm giving away £100. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. You can follow me on social media. All the description should be on the box down below. Now, to watch my last video, click right here. To subscribe to my channel, click right here. And thank you so much for taking your time to watch my video, guys. And I'll see you soon. Take care.